Diamond Queen of Tax Deeds with your Tip Tuesday. So the market is kind of doing really well and you're trying to figure out, how can I buy a piece of property that I can afford and be able to make money? Well, one of those ways is to aim for vacant land. And if you're doing vacant land, let me give you a couple of these tips. One is you want to make sure that that vacant lot is buildable, that you can put a house on the property, because your end buyer is going to want to put a house on the property and they're not going to pay you much if they can't build on the property. They may not even want it unless they just want to make their yard bigger or for recreational use. The second thing you also want to make sure is that it's a good neighborhood, that people would want to live in the neighborhood. So what is the area like? What are the houses around it like? And the third most important thing that you also want to check out is, what are the sales in the neighborhood like? Which kind of goes with, what is the neighborhood like? Is it someplace people want to live? Because you want to make sure that the values in that property, in that neighborhood, are good. So what are the other lots similar to it selling for? Because that will dictate how much you should pay for it, and also when you go to sell it, how much you should sell it for. So before you even do any title searching work or looking at the tax deed file or anything like that, the first thing you want to do is assess, is the property buildable if it's a vacant lot? What is the neighborhood like? And also, what are the comps? As that's what we call it in the industry, is comparable sales. What are the other properties in the neighborhood selling for that are also vacant lots similar to it in size and the same neighborhood? Because that's what you're going to get when you turn around and you sell it. Then you can go ahead, after you know all that and you're interested, then you can go ahead, drive by the property, check it out, and then do the other due diligence that comes with buying a property at the tax deed sale. But there's good deals out there in vacant land as well. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and be sure to like the page, and have a happy investing.